Sorry about that. Mr. Washington's class, how are you guys doing? Hopefully everybody is well rested from spring break and enjoying the nice day outside. I actually just got back from going on a run there. That's why I was taking a drink of water and enjoying the nice day out. Hopefully, like I said, you guys have rewarded your bodies with that because of all the amazing work and things that I've seen in the classroom and in pictures and videos today. You guys definitely deserve it. Your bodies deserve it, and that's what I try to make sure I do right here at the end of the day here. So just a few quick things to touch on. I won't take too much of your time. Just some updates for parents and ideas of what kids can expect in this little video check-in at the end of the day. And just to wrap some things up there at the end about the Google Classroom too. So first things first, for parents, if you have not signed up for Google Classroom yet, I completely understand. It can be difficult and challenging depending what your internet is, what kind of computer you have, if you only have a tablet. The list goes on. And most of my day is spent handling the Google Classroom issues, back and forth with parents, trying to help them get signed up and set up and everything. So don't feel like it is an issue. It's something that myself and other parents are going through. So feel free to shoot me an email and simply say, hey, Mr. Washington, I have no idea how to get or access the Google Classroom. And I may not have the answer right away, but you can ask, or if you have the opportunity to, and other parents will tell you that we will work as fast as we can to try and get the solution to you. We don't have all the answers necessarily, but we have a great technology team and resource team that will hopefully be able to help us out as quickly as possible. So bear with us. Thank you for your patience, and it is much appreciated, and we'll get it all worked out very soon. For the kids, so obviously this is our first little video check-in. How that will go in the future. You guys are probably wondering, why is he sending us videos now? Well, this is going to be kind of what you can expect at the end of every day. Right about now, Mr. Washington kind of finishes up his outside time and his activity time, and then we'll probably share what I did with you, like I did already. What I did, and kind of just give you a recap of the day. I've received all kinds of amazing work, and so in the future, if I have any work that I want to share, or if there are any birthdays that are coming that I would like to announce, or any other special announcements of the sort, that's kind of going to be what this video is for, and kind of what you can expect to see. So last thing, before I go here, I'm going to kind of leave the end of these videos open for student responses. So kind of challenge you guys to maybe respond in the classroom. I will post an optional survey assignment. Not even an assignment really, it's more of a response to a question that I'll have here at the end of this video. But what are some things that you did to keep yourself active over spring break, and things that you did to enjoy your spring break? A couple of things that I did were I spent some time with my family, and I also got a chance to go and from a distance visit with my grandparents. So just some things that I did to keep myself busy and keep myself entertained, to give you guys an idea of what you could respond with. With that is everything, I believe. And like I said, if you have any questions, concerns, or anything you would like to reach out about that you may have a question with in terms of anything, it doesn't have to just be Google Classroom stuff. Please let me know, and I will do the best I can to help you. And with that, I will see you guys tomorrow, and I appreciate your time, and let me know, like I said, if you need anything. And enjoy your day.